The English language has one of the largest vocabularies of any language. There are a large number of exceptions to the rules. There are lots of differences between British and American English. Around the world, people use different vocabulary and expressions. With global communication, the different types of English will continue to influence the speakers of English language. Therefore, in this video, we are going to familiarize some words that are still exclusively used by British and Americans, that to be ever known by the speakers of English. The word area is more common in British English, referring the device transmitting TV signals, while antenna is used in American English, that is unarhalan. The word autumn is common in British English, referring season, while fall in American English. In Tamil, Ilayudirkalam. The word biscuits is in British English, referring small baked sweet, while cookies in American English. In Tamil, rotigal. The word bin is common in British English, referring a container in which to deposit rubbish, while trash can in American English, and in Tamil, kuppai totti. Bonnet is in British English, referring the metal covering of car engine, while hood in American English. In Tamil, Vahana Yendra Modi. The word chips is in British English, referring a deep potato fry, while French fries in American English, and in Tamil, Varutha Urlakalangu Tundugal. Flat is common in British English, referring individual residence with a set of rooms from a part of larger building, while apartment in American English. In Tamil, Adukkumadi Kudiyiruppu. Football is common in British English, referring a game involving kicking a ball, while soccer in American English, that is in Tamil, Kalpandu Vilayattu. Fully is common in British English, referring completely or entirely, while full in American English, that is in Tamil, Mulumayaga. Ground floor in British English, referring the floor of building at ground level, while it is referred as first floor in American English. In Tamil, Taraithalam. Holiday in British English, referring a period of leisure, especially one spent away from home, while it is referred vacation in American English. And in Tamil, Vidumurai. Indicator in British English, referring an exterior light on the vehicle to indicate signals, while blinker in American English. And in Tamil, Vaganathin Suttuvilakku. Lift in British English, referring machine carries people up and down between different levels of tall building, while elevator in American English. And in Tamil, Iyangu Eni. Loo in British English, referring an informal word for toilet, while restroom in American English. And in Tamil, Kaliparai. Nappy in British English, referring a piece of absorbent material wrapped around a baby's bottom to retain urine and feces, while diaper in American English. And in Tamil, Kulandayin Anayadai. Pavement is common in British English, referring a raised footpath for pedestrians, while sidewalk in American English. And in Tamil, Nadaipadai. The word post is common in British English, referring letters for domestic delivery, while mail in American English. And in Tamil, Anjal. The word pull or is common in British English, referring a knitted garment, while sweater in American English. And in Tamil, Pinnapatta Kamblichatai. Queue is common in British English, referring the sequence of people in a row, while line in American English. And in Tamil, Varisai. Sweets is common in British English, referring small piece of confectionery made with sugar, while candy in American English. And in Tamil, Mittai. Timetable is common in British English, referring a chart or a plan for the times when particular events are to be take place, while schedule in American English. And in Tamil, Kala Atavanai. Trousers is common in British English, referring an outer garment covering the body from the waist to ankles, while pants in American English. In Tamil, car chattai. For your kind information, pants is used to refer undergarment in British English, whereas pants is used to refer outer garment in American English. Underground is common in British English, referring beneath the surface of the ground, while cellar in American English, and in Tamil, surangam. Waistcoat is common in British English, referring a close-fitting waist-length garment typically having no sleeves or collar, and vest in American English, and in Tamil, arai chattai அல்லது உள் சட்டை. Windscreen is common in British English, referring a glass screen at the front of a motor vehicle, while windshield in American English, and in Tamil, வாகனத்தின் முகப்பு கண்ணாடி. I hope you have learned the most noticeable difference between American and British English in the vocabulary usage. Now you can scan the QR code for online test or to connect the link given in the description box. Moreover, you are supposed to finish the task given in the textbook page number 181. Some British English words are given in the column A and you are supposed to write their corresponding American English word in column B. Thank you.